How to use WhatsApp in OBS virtual camera. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Now to use WhatsApp in OBS virtual camera, you first of all have to download and install the OBS app in your laptop or PC. For this, open up any web browser and search for OBS. Then you want to click on this website over here. After this, on this page, select your operating system. I'm going to select Windows. Once you click on Windows, the OBS program will be downloaded automatically. As you can see, it is being downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, simply install it to your laptop or PC. After it has been installed, go ahead and open this. Now here you want to click on the Start Virtual Camera option over here. Then get over to the sources section here. Click on this plus icon to add a source. Now once you click on the plus icon, you will have different options. Go ahead and click on the one that says video capture device. Now click on the OK option over here. After that, here you want to select your device, then click on the OK option. Once that is done, you simply want to open WhatsApp now. Then you can start a video call over there in WhatsApp. And with that, you will now use WhatsApp with OBS virtual camera. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.